Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making Panzerotti barese. I got everything here. Here I have Romano cheese, the pure tomatoes, mozzarella, which I did it with like in sticks. I like it better like this, but you can shred it if you want, but it works great this way. And here I have the dough. You can get the recipe on Nonna says Mangia. Empty the dough on the counter here. So I'll just take a little bit of dough in my hand. You can just get some flour just in case it's a little sticky. Okay, so now I get more here, a little bit of dough. I'll do 3 or 4 and then I'll finish them on my own. It doesn't matter the size, you know, you can do them a little smaller, a little bigger, the way you want to make them. Some flour, so I'll just go like that at first. Make like a circle, you know, like that. The mozzarella. Now I'll put the tomato. Okay, cheese. And this is Romano cheese. Salt and pepper. And now I'm gonna close them. I just do them like this. I just get the end here and the other end, and I just do like that, and you just close them all around. Okay. They're nice and tight. See? And then here I have a pizza pan with parchment paper. So I'm gonna put the panzerotti here. Okay, so now you put the panzerotti, the seam, down, because we're gonna be frying these. All done with the panzerotti, so I'm gonna start frying them now. The oil is almost ready. Make sure that they're all closed, that they don't open when you put them in the oil. Sometimes they do open, so make sure you check them. Otherwise, you're gonna have a big mess in the oil. So make sure you put the seam down when you fry them. Okay. And what you do at the beginning, just put some oil on top, so they don't get the huge big bubbles. Okay. Make sure the oil is nice and hot when you put them inside at the beginning, and then you can lower the heat a little bit. And they are ready. Nice. I'm gonna put them in here with some paper towel. All done with the panzerotti. They're just ready to eat. I'm gonna just open up one and see and show you what they look like inside. Wow. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time. Ciao for now.